Hey, third grade. Welcome to Maths with Mr. Richardson. This is your concept development, and we're going to talk about the number bond. Can everybody say number bond with me? Number bond. Great job, friends. As you can see, I have my array right here, and I have my number bond set up. So with my array, I have 7 times 3. Let's count it out. 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I also have 3 in each. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can keep going and continue count that we have 3 in each. Say 3 in each. Great job. So we have 7 rows and 3 in each. Now, when we talk about the distributive property, we're breaking up the first factor, which is 7. Everybody say 7. And we're breaking that up into an addition problem. So what two factors we know? What plus what equals 7? What plus what equals 7? We can use our array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. And that's what we're going to use. 5 and 2. But once we do 7 times 3, that means we have 7 threes. Can everybody say 7 threes? And we're going to write down 7 threes, because we know there's 7 threes. And we just broke it up into 2 factors. Remember the second factor, which is the 3, the multiplier stays the same. And we broke it up into 5 threes and 2 threes. Because we know 5 plus 2 equals 7. And this is what we do when we do the distributive property. We break our first factor, which is 7, into 2 addition problems, which we know 5 plus 2 equals 7. But we also have our multiplier, which is our 3, our second factor. It does not change. So when we write our number bond, 7 threes equals 5 threes plus 2 threes. And you're going to write it inside your number bond. Then you're going to continue on. And once you get to this, anything with a red box, you can write in, friends. Anything with a red box, you can write in. Just like the number one we did before, it say 8 tens. So we know this is 8 tens. In order to break it up, we have 5 tens. So 5 plus what equals 8? 5 plus what equals 8? Yes, 5 plus 3 equals 8. You can subtract that. 8 minus 5 equals 3. And we're talking about tens. 3 tens, friends. 3 tens. So when we write it, 5 tens plus, we just said it, 3 tens. And once we write it on out into real numbers, it's going to be 5 times 10. And this one's going to be 3 times 10. And 10 is already here. And it equals 8 times 10, which is our original problem, 8 times 10. And I know 5 times 10 equals 50. And I know 3 times 10 is what? 10, 20. Keep adding 10 3 times. And I know that is 30. So 50 plus 30. Once we add 50 plus 30, what do we get, friends? Take your time. Yes, you are correct. You get 80. So we know 8 times 10 equals 80. And you're going to keep going with your practice. You're going to have extra practice. With this problem, it's the same thing, 7 fours. And we break it up into 5 fours, and 5 plus what equals 7, or 7 minus 5 equals what? Once you subtract 7 minus 5, you put it right here, and don't forget your fours, and you keep going and breaking it down. As you continue, we also have our word problems, which we will have our GIT. There are 7 teams in the soccer tournament. 10 children play on each team. How many children are playing in the tournament? Make sure you read this problem twice, friends. Twice, and you fill out your GIT. And once you fill out your GIT, you're going to continue and draw your tape diagram. You're going to move these lines and break up them into your 7 teams, because they said it said 7 teams. So you're going to break it up into your 7 teams, and you're looking for the total. And once you keep going, you're going to have your math sentence here. And once you have your math sentence, you will have your exit ticket, friends. You will have your exit ticket. So you're going to have to do a great job, friends. If you need any help, please let me know.